Discerning drivers will appreciate the 2012 Jeep Liberty. It features an automatic transmission, rear-wheel drive, and a refined 6-cylinder engine. Top features include a split folding rear seat, delay-off headlights, front and rear reading lights, power door mirrors and heated door mirrors, and one-touch window functionality. Premium sound drives 6 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Jeep ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a panic alarm, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. For added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. It also arrives with a Carfax history report, providing you peace of mind with detailed information. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.